Hey guys, it's Elena. Now we will get straight into the walking tour, but this one requires a little bit of explanation, which I'm going to do at the end of the video about why it's 2 minutes long instead of my usual like 15, why I speak fast yet again, and also why there's an extra tour guide in there. So let's get to that in a bit. I will see you in 2 minutes time. Hello and welcome to a shorter than usual episode of Walking London, where Guy and I will be walking from Millennium Bridge to Postman's Park. The Millennium Bridge is famous for having opened in June 2000 for a grand total of 3 days before being closed for a further 2 years to fix the alarming swaying motion. Not what you want from a bridge.
The first St Paul's Cathedral was founded in 604 and made of wood. After the fourth cathedral built on this site burnt down in the 1666 Great Fire of London, Sir Christopher Wren built the new St Paul's and was eventually laid to rest here too. His epitaph reads, "If you seek his memorial, look around you."
Christchurch Greyfriars was also built by Sir Christopher Wren after the medieval church, which has stood for 300 years, burned down in the Great Fire. Not quite as lucky as St Paul's, the new church was damaged heavily during the Blitz in 1940, when a firebomb struck the roof and tore through the building. It remained derelict until 2002, when the churchyard was finally spruced up and the tower and spire converted into a modern 12-level private residence.
Postman's Park was so named as it sits across what was once the National Postal Museum. But you'll want to take time to take a look at this wall here. This is a memorial commemorating people who gave their lives in act of heroism to help others, but who received no recognition at the time and who might otherwise be forgotten. Now, they include the likes of William Drake, who lost his life saving a woman whose horses were bolting after the pole on her carriage broke in Hyde Park in 1869. Then there's little 8-year-old Henry Bristow, who saved his little sister's life by tearing off her burning clothes but caught fire himself in 1890. And finally, there's Thomas Simpson, a hero who died of exhaustion after saving many lives from the breaking ice at Highgate Ponds in 1885. Brilliant, well I enjoyed that enormously.
Well done.
And if you've enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like and follow That London Life, and we'll see you again soon.
So there you have it, my shortest walking tour ever. I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you for sticking around. If you enjoyed that tour and you don't want to see any more, I totally understand. But this is why it is the way it is. Basically, I made the video for a conference where I was invited on a panel by the Internet Advertising Bureau. It was in 2018, so I filmed that several months ago, and it was very cold at the time. And we were assigned as creators somebody in the industry so that they can kind of put themselves in the position of a creator to see what it was like. I happened to be assigned the former CEO of the Internet Advertising Bureau, so no pressure there. But he had an absolutely fantastic time, and he's shown the video to his granddaughter, and his granddaughter loved it. She's a big fan of YouTube, so you know, big thumbs up with that. So the reason it's 2 minutes long is just because that was the allotted time that I had to make the video. And also the reason why I'm speaking fast is because I knew I didn't have a lot of time, but I wanted it to seem like there was some good content in there. And I wanted to give him the opportunity to just, you know, for him to be slow and to chat. And I knew I could speed myself up quite a lot. So yeah, that's why I'm talking fast like I used to do. I've been trying to slow down a bit because I know I've got international viewers and English isn't everyone's first language, so it's better to speak slowly, also just for people to absorb the information better. Anyway, it will be back to normal with normal walking tour videos very soon. It's finally warming up in London, yes. And I just didn't want to make these kinds of videos while it was cold. That's really all the reason why I haven't posted one for a while. But now it's warming up, I have lots more planned, more walking tours coming. If you want any other kinds of videos about London, do let me know in the comments. And if not, I guess I will see you soon. Bye!